Welcome student. Welcome to PrepLeaf puzzle series. Today we will discuss our ninth puzzle. The link of all 8 puzzles will be there in the description. So let's directly move on to puzzles. The puzzle is sand timer. We have 2 sand timer which can show 4 minute and 7 minute each. So we can use both the sand timer at any way we can, at any combination whatever we like, but we have to measure a time of 9 minutes. So in case we have to measure the time of 7 minute, 11 minute, 14 minute, 18 minutes, we can easily find with the help of 7 and 4 minutes. But here the trick part is we have to figure out how to measure 9 minutes. This is the similar problem as we discussed in puzzle 2, the rope puzzle, in which we have to burn the rope and figure out some time interval. So just pause the video, take your time, 2 minutes. This is not a tough problem. Solve it and then we can move to our solution. Meanwhile, you can keep liking and subscribing to our channel, and for more placement related course you can visit to our website prepleaf.com/p4. So I am moving to solution. So here let's start. Initially we have 2 sand timer. So let's start. Just a second. This is t equal to 0. What we are doing, we are starting both the sand timer. Step 1, start 7 minute sand timer and 4 minute sand timer together. We have started. Now once the 4 minute sand timer end, turn it upside down instantly. So at t equal to 4, the 4 minute sand timer will be finished. We have to reset it. How we can reset it? By turning it upside down. So at t equal to 4, the smaller sand timer will be reset. Its capacity is still 4 minutes, and the bigger sand timer has capacity of 3 minutes because 4 minutes of sand has already been flown downside. So here is sand, its capacity is 4 minutes, which has already flown to downside, and here the sand has capacity of 4 minutes. Now let's move forward. After t equal to 7 minutes, like after 3 minutes, this bigger sand timer has completely empty, so we have to turn it upside down. That means we have to reset it. So in this case, t bigger has again reset to it. It has a limit of 7 minutes, capacity of 7 minutes, and t small has a capacity of 1 minute. And we have calculated 7 minutes. Now again, after 1 minute, here t big has a capacity of 6 minutes. And t small has a capacity currently 0 minute. We can reset it by flipping it upside down, then its capacity will become 4 minutes. So now, till this time we have measured 8 minutes. Now what we can do? Look at it. So this is bigger sand timer. Here there are some sand, here is some sand. This sand capacity is 6 minutes, and this sand has a capacity of 1 minute. Now only 1 minute is left. We have to measure 9 minutes. We have already measured 8 minutes. What should we do? We should turn this sand timer upside down. So in case we are turning this sand timer upside down, how it will be? So here will be 6 minute capacity sand, and here will be 1 capacity sand. So after 1 minute, this sand timer will be empty and we'll able to get that 1 minute. So here we can measure total 9 minutes. So in this way, we can measure a total of 9 minutes. This question was similar to the rope puzzle. I hope you understood this question. In case you have any query, do let me know in comment. Keep liking and subscribing to our channel. For more placement web series, we have conducted various role-based preparation free webinars also. You can search on YouTube and get benefit of it. Thank you.